Hello people, I always make two videos because just in case one doesn't come out too well, you need two. So this is Ayush with the rabbits, and Ayush
Hare and rabbit.
hare and rabbit. No, then both are hares, right? Even he is a hare.
He's
because
not a hare. Rabbits have that skull and hares have this skull.
man, wow. I have to say though my son is okay, but both he also looks okay. His skull is very small type.
Her
I-
skull is very long, which resembles a hare.
Really? Wow. See, yeah, that is observation, the power of observation of a child. So you're saying he's a, but they look alike, don't they?
See,
So,
this is one Arctic rabbit. This is an Arctic hare.
hair. Okay, so I will try and Google it right now to know the difference because the way I see it is for me, both of them look same. So this is fascinating, yeah. See, an 8-year-old is learning about natural history and all just through these natural history, or what is it called, natural animal kingdom, plant kingdom.
They are both two different
Which-
rabbit species.
Species. I am now so tempted to read up on hair. I'll do that right now, and then I have to rush and make my cheese parathas. So on that note, see, for that I get all dressed and ready. But really, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.